Hey everyone, Angelo Merville here, and I have another exquisite new construction listing for you built by Growth by NRC. This home is nestled in the city of Decatur, minutes from the Beltline, Gresham Park, and the airport. The schools servicing this community are Flat Shoals Elementary, McNair Middle, and McNair High. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,300 square feet, and priced right at $489,000. This home is listed by none other than Rene Estates and Associates. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.